loves, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I've done a video like this, but here's a clean with me video. I know it's somewhat different. I think I've only have one of those type of videos here on my YouTube channel. I'll try to find it and I'll link it here for you guys so you guys can check it out. So it's pretty much cleaning my room. My room could get a bit messy, as you can see on the thumbnail. It's like, oh my god. So yeah, if you guys want to keep on watching and see how I clean my room and see how it turns out to look better than before, just stay tuned. And if you guys have any other video requests, or if you guys like this type of video, just let me know and I'll keep making them once in a while. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one.